In November 2014, more than 100 experts on agricultural insurance and food security from over 30 countries gathered at the Agricultural Insurance Conference in Berlin. There they discussed various issues with regards to agricultural insurance and its special link to food security.
Food security is one of the key focuses of our work because there are still more than 800 million people in the world suffering from hunger.
The conference was organised by the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, supported by the Global Index Insurance Facility as part of the World Bank Group, and implemented by GIZ, the Deutsche Gesellschaft für internationale Zusammenarbeit.
There are various ways to increase food production, such as improving yield per hectare, cropping intensification, increasing arable land, reducing post-harvest losses, storage and transport losses, improving irrigation technology, and many others.
The various discussions, workshops and panels have been attended by experts from the following organisations who are either active in agricultural insurance and/or food security.
What we've been looking at, what we wanted to address is how agriculture insurance can make or contribute towards addressing the food security issues.
The two-day conference brought together the key experts in this area and established an in-depth discussion on the challenges that remain to be solved in order to enable agricultural insurance to better contribute to food security in developing countries and emerging economies.
Are we talking about agricultural growth generally? Or are we talking about poverty alleviation and protecting the poor?
The conference has initiated an important step in the discussion around the effect of agricultural insurance on food security. Although the experts agree that the magic formula for making agricultural insurance work still has to be found, the link between agricultural insurance and food security has been reconfirmed, which can build a basis for concerted efforts evolving around agricultural insurance in the future.
When the microcredit market went under, this MFI was able to at least keep its contact going with the customers because they had an insurance also sold to them. So in that sense, their business didn't become 100 to 0. It did become less, but it kept them in a position to actually go back to the customer, which a lot of MFIs could not. So a case could be built around that.
There is a strong focus in German development cooperation put by our minister on agriculture and on food security. The initiative on One World, No Hunger is a very important political initiative. So we used from the financial sector side to look at those topics that are particularly linked to that agenda and can help to make a contribution to food security, which we discussed during the 1.5 days. And I think we came to the conclusion, we agreed it makes a contribution to agricultural productivity and in the end to food security, but nevertheless we have to track that link, to demonstrate that link and to explain that link to the outside world.
For more information, please visit our website or write us an email.